Hello everyone, how to do it? So back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to add your payment method on BandLab make music online website or application. So this is really gonna easy and short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till then, then you learn how to do this. So you can see this is the interface of BandLab website. So what you need to do, you need to click here on your profile and click the settings option, and he'll get the option payment the left hand side on your screen. Once you click payment, then you'll get couple of options. Then you can connect a defaulty, and if you want to add your payment method, simply click add card, and you have to give your card here, card holder name, expiry date, and save. Then your card or your payment method will be successfully added here. So this way you can add your payment method on BandLab Make Music Online application or website. So okay friend, today's no mind, see you in the next video.